GlamFam, welcome back, besties. Today we are prepping for boho using water wave hair. So this is the whole process that I go through before I get to the hair. Prefer to do this ahead of time just so that we save some time. All right, so this is what the prepping is kind of looking like so far. I feel like if you don't have to prep the hair, you're saving time. And then this is the hair that we're using. 20-inch and 18-inch. I just cut off the weft. So, as usual, you want to start with clean parts. I like to spend some time like making sure the parts are nice and straight, because if they're straight, then the hair looks a lot better. All right, so we are at the very top here. It is very repetitious, and so I'm only going to be showing you guys two, so that way you can stick around and watch the video to the end. So here we go. To make it more full, I want to say I did about 5 to 6 strands on the back side. When I get to the front, to make it even more full, I did like 7 pieces on the front portion. As you add in your pieces, because I cut from the weft, it's going to be a little bit blunt on the other end, so I will have to do some trimming there. And I'm using the gel to make sure that her hair is blended, as well as the water wave hair that I'm adding. Very pretty when it's wet. And instead of using a clip on the curly hair, I kind of just put it out the way so I don't have to go back and forth with the clip, because when you're doing this style, every second counts. So it took us what, like 7 hours? And because we weren't gonna curl the expression here, what I did as I get closer toward the end of the hair, I added a water wave at the end, mostly towards the end, just so that we can have curls without having to curl the expression hair. Alright, so this is pretty much at the end, and so I'm adding the curly hair just so that we can have some curls at the end. And I think this was the look that she was going for as well. Alright folks, so let's do another close-up, and then we're gonna just take it home. So I braid, and then I'm gonna feed in the expression hair like so. I have my gel close by so that I can use it on her natural hair. And this is what we're looking like so far. Gorgeous, if I may say so myself. All right, we're pretty much on the last one. Adding extra curls on the last one. Then we're going to be adding mousse. And then we're going to do hot water. And we are all done. Like, literally all done. I have other videos on here. That's probably a little bit more detailed than this one. But yeah, I'm doing a little bit of trimming and then this is it. If you're still watching, now is a good time to hit that subscribe button, hit the thumbs up, and ask your questions down below.
Thank you for watching this video. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe.